what's up everybody? Hope everybody's doing good. Wanted to give you guys an update, behind the scenes look as to my setup. We moved some things around. The bench is now in this location right here. We swapped it over from this other side right here. So this is now going to be the backdrop right there. We moved everything over there. So a couple reasons why I moved it over here to this side. As you can see, we got two cameras, camera 1, camera 2. And I wanted to get a couple different angles from the bench when I start recording videos, when I'm working with my progress. You know, we still have the model kits as the backdrop, along with some of my current finished builds. And also shout outs to Chris right here. He gifted me that model right there. And this is another work in progress right here. So a lot of little bits of different things. I really like the lighting over here on this end. So this is when I'm, just working on stuff. Underneath, we got some extra tools right there too. And then this is over here, the table where I pretty much stream live from, as you can see right there. Let me switch up some angles so you guys can see right here. Check it out. We got that one right there. Let me click the next one. Then bam, right there. That's the other view. So two cameras over here on this side. And for if I go live or just recording behind the scenes, I could do that. And then everything else right here, this is all pretty much my collection pieces, inspirational desk or bench, or whatever you want to call it, the table, a lot of different bits of things, some of my kits, books, magazines, Tom Kelly artwork right there. So yeah, just a lot of various things right here. So I'm really digging the layout right now. It might change later, we'll see. But for now, we're gonna keep it this way. And I'll keep you guys posted. So that was a behind the scenes look right there for you guys. All right, guys, take care. Peace.